All right, let's talk about something that's poised to shake up how we think about business automation. Today, we're diving into a platform called Easy-MCP, and trust me, it's all about working smarter, not harder.
But first, let me ask you something. Does your workday feel like a never-ending loop of the same old tasks? You know, the kind of repetitive, complex stuff that just eats up your time and kills your productivity. It's a massive headache for businesses everywhere, and that's precisely the problem we're going to unpack today.
And the answer to that headache? Well, it's a platform called Easy-MCP. The whole idea here is to set a brand new standard for automation, getting rid of that busy work so you can focus on what truly matters.
So what exactly is Easy-MCP? And by the way, you'll want to pronounce it EG-MCP. At its heart, it's this really clever combination of AI and something called a Model Context Protocol, or MCP for short. Here's a simple way to think about it. The AI is like your tireless, super smart employee, and the MCP is the detailed instruction manual you give them. This manual provides all the context, all the rules, so the AI knows exactly how to handle your specific business tasks, perfectly, every single time. We're talking about automating even the gnarliest, most complex workflows.
Okay, so that's the big idea, but how does it actually pull it off? Let's dive into the core tech and see how this whole MCP and AI partnership really works.
First up, at the very center of the system, you've got the AI automation engine. This is the powerhouse, the brains behind the entire operation. And this engine is, well, incredibly smart and flexible. What's really cool is you can just talk to it in plain language, no complex code needed. You tell it what you want, and it will persistently try different ways to get that command done. It just doesn't give up. Plus, it's a global player, supporting languages like Korean, English, Japanese, Arabic, and Spanish. And it doesn't matter what system you're on. It's built on a Claude codebase, so it runs everywhere, Linux, Windows, or Mac.
But look, having a powerful AI engine is only half the battle, right? The real magic, the secret sauce, is making it work for your specific needs. And that's where custom MCP development comes in. This is all about putting you in the driver's seat. Forget one-size-fits-all automation. Here, you can literally build and roll out your own dedicated MCP servers. Remember those blueprints we talked about? This means you can craft them with surgical precision to match every little nuance of your business's workflow. Okay, so you've got this powerful custom automation running. The next logical question is, what's it doing right now? You need to be able to see everything in action. And that's exactly what real-time monitoring is for. Think of it like a live command center for all your automated processes. You can watch every task as it runs, see the results pop up the second they're ready. It's all about total transparency. No black boxes here. You have complete control and can see exactly what's going on at all times. Now for the million-dollar question. What happens when something breaks? Because let's be real, in any complex process, things are going to go wrong sometimes. A truly great automation platform isn't just about what it does when things are perfect, it's about how it handles the bumps in the road. And this is where Easy-MCP really shines. It's built to be incredibly resilient. The moment an error pops up, it doesn't just throw its hands up and wait for you. Nope, it automatically detects the problem and immediately starts running recovery tasks all by itself. No human intervention needed. That's what creates automation you can actually trust to run on its own. Okay, so we've talked a lot about the how. Now let's get to the fun part, the what. Let's check out some real-world examples to see how all this cool tech is actually put to work. And we're starting with a big one, automating data analysis. This is something that pretty much every company needs to do, but man, can it be a huge time sink? With a system like this, you can put your entire data pipeline on autopilot. Imagine, it's constantly collecting data in real time, using AI to spot patterns that a human might totally miss, generating those weekly reports for you automatically, and even flagging weird anomalies before they become big problems. It's basically a machine for turning messy data into clear, valuable insights, and doing it in record time. All right, next up, let's shift gears to the IT world. System management. We all know this is a 24/7 job that's just begging to be automated. This is a total game changer for any IT department. Just think about it. You can automate system monitoring so you get alerts instantly. Backups and recovery? Handled automatically. It can even work on optimizing performance and managing all those critical security patches in the background. This frees up your tech team from the daily grind so they can focus on bigger, more strategic projects. And finally, let's talk about something we can all relate to. All that day-to-day office stuff, the administrative work that just seems to pile up and slow everyone down.
This is where you see those productivity gains multiply across the entire company. We're talking about automatically generating documents, helping manage complex schedules, making sure approval workflows move smoothly without getting stuck, and even integrating different communication channels. The amount of time this saves week after week is just massive. It makes the entire organization run smoother.
So let's just hammer home the key benefits here, quick-fire style. First, the price. It's surprisingly affordable. The model is usage-based, but, and this is a big but, it has a fixed monthly cost. That means you never have to worry about a crazy unexpected bill. Predictable costs, which is huge.
Second, speed. This isn't your old school run a report overnight kind of automation. This is real time. It happens instantly when you need it. And third, customization. The ability to build your own custom MCPs means this isn't some off-the-shelf tool. It's a platform you can mold to fit your business like a glove. So if any of this has piqued your interest, getting started is super simple. The first step is just to request a consultation to see if it's a good fit. From there, you can explore all the features, and then, well, you start automating. Which brings me to the last thing I want you to think about. After hearing all this, what's that one process in your business that just popped into your head? That one tedious, time-wasting task you'd love to get rid of forever? And remember, AI technology is only getting better and more powerful by the day. So the real question isn't if you'll automate, but what will you automate first?